Okay.
Hello everybody, my name is Dan. I'm in class D5. Today I will talk about migrations. I thought that you have heard that birds migrate to the south. You may heard this in stories or by watching TV programs. This is a fact. Birds do migrate, but not only birds migrate. Other animals migrate too. They do this because the place they live may are too hot or too cold. Also, they may don't have enough food or water for them. They also maybe not give baby animals or breeding. In a species, there may be only some of the animals migrates, while the others stays. Or in some kinds of other species, the whole species migrates. Animals that migrate are called migrants. This is an example of a migrant. It's called an Arctic tern. They leave home at the same time at the year and then reach the end of their journey at the same time too. So, how can they do this? Scientists thought that birds and other animals could look and feel things around them. When they feel a change, they start to eat a lot of food, so they get ready for their migration. In this picture, as you can see in this picture, these birds are ready to migrate. They're hanging on some kinds of power lines. When these birds ready, they will leave, but they won't get lost, even they don't have a map. Why? That's because they can remember the landscape around them. When they remember the landscape, they can find the direction where they go. Also, some kind of animals could see the sun, the moon, and the stars. Scientists also thought that there's some kinds of animals that could use sound waves and smells or even the Earth's magnetic field to find ways. For example, this is a bat, an insect-eating bat. They use sounds to find their ways. But although they can find the way, migrating is still dangerous. Why? The answer is because predators. Predators are animals that eat and kill them. They usually wait them at the same time of the year. When the migrants come, they will hunt and eat them. But not only animals do that, humans do that too. And the most important thing today is we are overhunting, which means we are hunting too much, and there are less migrants. People also build big turbines, buildings, roads, power lines. They could stop migrants migrating, or they could cause injuries to them. Ice are melting because the climate are changed. This could create increasing difficulties for some animals like polar bears to migrate because they don't have enough land to walk. Instead, they usually have to swim. To stop this happening, scientists are researching that how animals and where do they migrate. When they have found the information, they can protect them and the environment. Well, not only is scientists protect them, we can protect them too. Thank you everybody for listening to my talking. Goodbye.